Hi children, today we are going to do the craft. It is very simple and easy. Come, let's start. Take one A4 sheet and take your scale and mark 20 centimeters and cut the paper mark. Now we have to fold the paper like this. And open the paper, and now fold the paper inside. The second folding is like this. Open the paper and fold the opposite side too. Do the same thing, ma. Now open it and do the normal folding, and now we have to cut this part. See, we can get the paper like this. The paper should be square in shape, make sure of that. And now we are going to put a gum this side and this opposite side too. Now we are moving to the opposite side and put the gum properly and fold the paper like this. Now we need to put the gum on this side, opposite side. Now we have to stick it. Now we have got our paper craft. See how easily we can open it. Now take any round shaped caps or use compass to draw the circle. We are going to draw the smileys on 4 sides. If you don't want to draw the smiley, you can write something like 4 greeting words you can write, or else you can write quotes, good quotes you can write for the 4 sides. Draw the circle for all the sides, ma. After that we can draw. Now draw the smiley's face. Draw different faces, ma, for the 4 sides. Now just do the coloring. If you don't have marker, use your sketch, or else use color pencils or crayons, ma. For the face, we have to give yellow color. Like the same, we have to draw the 4 sides. Draw different smileys, ma. or if you want to write something, you can write it, no problem. See, now I have done. Now we will open the paper. See this? It is very simple to make and you can play with it. That's it. You too try it in your home and enjoy. Thank you.